Challenge 50, Week 4, Tools 31 to 40. Tool 31 is the centre drill. The centre drill is used to drill pilot holes in metal on a centre lathe. Tool 31 is the centre drill. Tool 32 is the spot welder. The spot welder joins metal at points using heat from an electrical current. Tool 32 is the spot welder. Tool 33 is the strip heater. The strip heater heats plastic along a line for bending. Tool 33 is the strip heater. Tool 34 is the mallet. The mallet is used to strike chisels. Tool 34 is the mallet. Tool 35 is the pop rivet gun. The pop rivet gun is used with pop rivets to join metal. Tool 35 is the pop rivet gun. Tool 36 is the mortise machine. The mortise machine cuts square holes for mortise joints. Tool 36 is the mortise machine. Tool 37 is the Phillips screwdriver. The Phillips screwdriver inserts and removes crosshead screws. Tool 37 is the Phillips screwdriver. Tool 38 is the countersink bit. The countersink bit creates countersinks on holes. Tool 38 is the countersink bit. Tool 39 are tin snips. Tin snips are used to cut sheet metal. Tool 39 are tin snips. And finally, tool 40 is the hacksaw. The hacksaw is used to cut metal bar or rod. Tool number 40 is the hacksaw.